Are you ready to supercharge your open house? Let's dive into the ultimate prep guide that will leave potential buyers awestruck and eager to make an offer. First things first, start with decluttering. A clean space is a welcoming space. Remove personal items and excess furniture to allow buyers to envision their future. Next, let's talk about staging. Arrange furniture to create inviting conversation areas and highlight the room's best features. Light it up. Open those blinds and turn on all the lights. Bright spaces feel more inviting and can make even the coziest nooks feel expansive. Now, let's focus on those scents. Freshen up the air with subtle scents like lemon or vanilla. Avoid overpowering fragrances that might turn buyers off. And don't forget the exterior. First impressions matter. Mow the lawn, trim the bushes, and add a pop of color with flowers. Finally, tidy tip for realtors. Set the thermostat to a comfortable temperature. A cozy environment helps buyers feel at home. Ready to transform your listings? For a deeper clean that shines, contact Tidy Tech's Home Cleaning today. Check the video description for more details and reach out now.